there's blame, nothing in the world. Just a white space in the life. I want more feeling, like light is there, painting is there.
So how's the response from the public?
I think it's good. I didn't expect that much that I can get that much. It's quite like
Why do you in this kind of art, education,
like we have like own feeling about our own baby and everything. The purity is still there. So in India, like in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, lot of, and moreover,
how high you're coming to that?
yeah, I think that is not a certain plan. Like for my child, like my what I want to do and exhibiting and knowing them that there's lots of way to like.
Style. He was asking me that what is your
Kung ngay bang naman vision ko kana.
Oh.